10:09.
10:09.
We're waiting, guys. Because we're the good kids.
Yeah, I'm here waiting with Jimina and
You?
you.
Me. You guys are here waiting with me.
Hallway
masama
empty.
akong bata, pag nanakaw ako ng upuan. Oh my God, she actually stole a chair.
Her intrusive thoughts. Oh, there's a huge shade right here. Why are we here?
Ito? Huwag mo videoan. No.
This is And the Gang.
Guys, time check. 10:11 na. 2 minutes.
We've been here for officially 2 minutes.
Wait.
Here's some
3
proof.
minutes na, guys. Meron ako naisip gawin. Kaso nahihiya ako eh. Nakato pa? Hindi. Sige na.
Are you gonna steal? I feel like you're gonna steal a shoe or something.
Ay. Tara, tago natin. Maybe a shoe or two?
No, I have an idea. Let's mix up the boy shoes. See someone they wear it, they won't know that it's you. Oh, not that. No one said it look like the same.
Di ba crimes na to?
If we do this, we'll be accused of the ones doing it every single time.
Kaya nga. Part 2. Meron kakadaan. Paano i-activate to, guys?
There's a fire alarm, but there's no.
Alarm lang yan. Yun to. Dapat fire switch yung hinahanap nyo kung gusto nyo ng
Yeah.
videos.
This is what we're like without Aldous.
Mas baliw pa kami, guys. Mababawasan tayo ng good morals. Ito tayo, ito tayo dyan. Magagang tayo. Okay, guys. Ang tawag sa gang natin is Aldous and the Gang. Yeah. So scary, bro.
Yeah, we're real scary. There's no wholesomeness here at all.
Kaya nga. Puro mga mafia things yung ginagawa namin. Alam mo yung aircon na yan? I put a leaf in there. Mean girls, bro.
You see those leaves? You know why they're all on the roof? They can't clean it up because I took the blower.
It's there. May nagkalamansi challenge dito. Let's see.
What's a calamansi challenge?
Kasi doon ako nagtago kasi ako ngayon ano nila. Tapos biglang sila umakyat. Tapos hindi ko gets. Okay, shield. Tapos magpapalit sila. Tapos umalis ako, tumakbo ako. Tapos bigla kayong pumunta dyan. Tapos sinasabi ko,
We didn't know.
tapos sinabi ko sa inyo, wag kayo dyan. May nagpapalit. Tapos hindi nandyan lang. Nakakaya nakagano'n. May nagpapalit na. Hindi niya. Ano? Yummy ah. Ando si Kuya, nasa corner. Tapos sinabi na, tapos nahiya ako, alis na ako dito. May nagpapalit dyan. Sabi niya, ha? Sabi niya, ha? May nagpapalit dyan. Ha? Tapos nanilas mo, guys. Tumingin pa kanila kung yun na nagpapalit. Tignan natin sa taas. Kung merong tapos baba agad tayo. Kung merong klase, tapos may sapatos sa labas.
You're literally. Oh, there are two guys over there. Still waiting on Sir Stephen. Just to let you know. It's 10:25. 10:25. We are.
Ang tagal ni sir. Guys,
My back really hurts.
pag pupush ako, watch 100 push-up. Pag wala ka dito si sir, alis na.
Wait.
3, Kapag wala pa si sir, after 30 sit-ups, aalis na kami.
1, 2, 3.
Ay, ganun na lang. Ayoko na
Five.
mag-sit-ups ako. Watch us fail miserably to do
Hey.
push-ups. What did you do? Ayoko na ako. Actually, kaya natumba ko nun kasi I did 100 push-ups one time.
Before the filming started.
Kaya nga. Oo. Hindi kasi namin na-film kasi hindi to scripted. Yeah, bro. Isa pa. Watch. Ayoko na mag-vlog. Kaya ta guys, oh. Ganyan. Ganito.
Demonstrating.
Oh. I've been in fantastic. What fantastic. Oops. Did you guys see the struggle?
I hope you could feel the struggle.
That was because it was the 1,000 push-up. 3, 2, 1. Now we're just feeling some hot shot, but in my master area. This stuff is here, but that area. Only music at the front. Hold it. Magnanakaw na kami ng sapatos. What a shame, you're mine, we're not the same. You were talking about everything. You're mine, and that's just... Oh. Wala yun. Wala yun.
Did you see that? I hope you saw that.
Minus 1 billion aura. Strap, tapos ganun. You're mine, you're mine. Eh, bigla akong ganun. Tignan nyo, magiging unggoy ako.
Gemina!
Oh my God! Binabawal sa birds! Guys, meron na ako ng lockpick.
You know, I had no idea that
Dude, stop!
this is
Ewan naman yung class ng birds. Ito pala.
Oh yeah. Not a random teachers.
Bother me anyway. Alas! Okay, fine. Uy, wala pa.
What is that? 3, 2, 1, action.
Dun, 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 dun. Elsa? Go away, Anna. Come on, I know you're in there. Ano? What if absent pala si Sir Stephen tapos naghintay lang tayo para maging students tapos wala na
Ito yung trademark ko dito.
Standardization.
That is illegal.
Ito nga po yung nangunguha ng upuan.
That's not true. I have video evidence. Hallway
Dahil masama
empty.
akong bata, magnanakaw ako ng upuan.
Ow.
Sir Stephen, alam mo.
Not that room. The wrong room. Wrong room.
The embarrassment. Naririnig ko yung binimay sa lamanda. You turn my limbics into a bouquet. Ikaw ay tila sining sa museo. Hindi siya marunong mag-spot. I'm sure
Time
we've
check.
been here for more than 15 minutes. Time check. 10:35. Ano, alis na ba tayo? Doon tayo dumaan.
I wasn't planning on like stealing a shoe. I was making you guys swap those two shoes over there because they look alike. So when they put them on, they would be the wrong size. That's funny.
Maria, naman nila yung socks nila.
Like, wouldn't that be funny? A little bit.
My phone.
We are relocated.
Dito na lang kami maghihintay. Kay Sir Stephen. Partial town. Look at you, strawberry cow. Puro na to strawberry cow. O, di ano. Wake up! It's the first of the month. Sama nito nang babother ng pusa.
Writing on the cat.
turkey.
Ay! Eh!
Nahampas niya yung pusa.
Yung summer langaw.
Ah?
Kasi di ba ginagano ko nga, hindi ko naman alam kung magaganon ko. Is that it? Na-squish ko! That's a bug. You see that? That's the bug.
Hindi yan bug. Ano yan? Langaw yan. Lumilipad-lipad siya dito pag ganun-ganun tapos na ganun ko.
Oh, I see it, I see it, I see it.
Bait ni Martin.